Hey guys, this video is about how to backup your website. It depends on which hosting provider you have. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy I can backup my site at SiteGround, but I still have the possibility to do it myself through using the plugin UpdraftPlus. To help me making more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit this like button below. Enjoy. There is more than one way to do it. First possibility is the automatic daily backup, which is made by SiteGround on a night. SiteGround keep up to 30 old backups for you. In this case, you will need to do nothing. If you plan to make changes on your website or install plugins, new version of WordPress or WooCommerce, then you should make a backup on the fly or a backup on demand. You can make up to 5 backup slots in your SiteGround Site Tools. To free a backup slot, you will only have to delete an old backup. Let me just show you how it works at SiteGrounds with backups. Go to Websites, Site Tools, click on Security, Backups. You can see your backups which are made by SiteGround the last 30 days. You will see also the available manual backup slots which you can make manually. I will just show you now how you can make a backup on the fly. I will name it Backup EL and I will manually create this backup right now. As a backup is created, and this is the backup which I have just created. As if something goes wrong with my store or with my website generally, I can quickly restore it to the last working version using this backup in here or any of the last or the old backups. I have only to go to these 3 points and click on restore all files and databases. With SiteGround, it's extremely easy to make backups and to restore my site. You have all the tools you need at one place, and it's only a matter of some clicks, 2-3 clicks to make a backup and 2-3 clicks to restore your website. With a lot of hosting provider, you will need to be a webmaster to make a backup. Now for the guys who haven't SiteGround, there is another way to make backups manually and automatically. Go to Dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New, then go here and search for Updraft. This is about this plugin in here. I have already installed it and activated. You have only to install and activate. For now, I'll just go to plugins and I will go to Updraft settings. Click on settings here and choose your remote storage. So with Google Drive, for example, you have 15 gigabytes, which you can use for your backups, or FTP. You can also use Microsoft Azure, Dropbox. If you have Dropbox, anyone have Dropbox, but I will go for now with Dropbox, for example. I will click on Dropbox or on Google Drive and I will check plugins, themes, uploads and any of other directories. Check this box to have a basic report. Okay, is it better to have a report? And save changes. Now it will take me to Google Drive. You have selected the remote storage option, which has an authorization step to complete. I will just click here and I will choose my Google account and I will give to UpdraftPlus the authorization to use my Google Drive to store the backups. Allow. Complete setup. So now I'm all set up. Everything is set up now and I will just back up now. Include your database, include your files in the backup, send this backup to remote storage. And I will say only allow this backup to be deleted manually. Backup now. The backup has finished running. Close. And now here you will see your backups which are made manually. And you get also a mail that your store is backed up. You can also schedule backups. Go to settings and you can here schedule backups for your files and for your database. Maybe you can decide to go every 12 hours for database and files, and you can save. Since I have SiteGround, it's much easier and comfortable to backup through SiteGround. If you are interested in web hosting at SiteGround, click on the link below in the description. It will link you to the SiteGround WordPress hosting. Get 70% off for any plan you choose. SiteGround, I personally have this Grow Big plan and I'm very happy with it. With SiteGround, you have everything you need at one place. Thank you guys for watching. Please consider subscribing to support me making more videos like this, and hit this like button below. Take care. Peace.